Hey people, Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. Hey, I paint monsters for a living. Good morning, my people. This is Stuart Smith from Stuartizm Designs. We're at Project X once again. Today we're doing some hot, distressing, covering this up, making things disappear, dry brushing, you name it, we're doing it. So hey, stick to the end of the video so you can see a whole bunch of stuff get done. And it's been about 3 days for this video of just small things but important things. Repairs, taking care of this. We're gonna be going over some Durabond when I get in there today, and I'll put a kibosh on this video of the manor. And then we're moving on to the factory. And then after that, the swamp. Got a lot of things going on, so I appreciate you stopping on by. Enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you have a good day. You all take care. Good morning, my people. We're back here at Project X. And the last thing I have to do is that bad boy right there. So we started it, and then I had to move on to other things while it dried. And then they hung it for me. I prefer to paint it on the ground, but that is okay. We're gonna do it right there. And then until we get to the cobwebbing part, the gentleman who owns the facility will be moving in coffins, and we got skeletons coming from Iowa to finish this bad boy off. So we're gonna be moving into other areas. Some of the stuff like I discussed before, taking care of raw wood, distressing, that sort of thing. So we're gonna conquer. So let's start the day. I also wanted to show this to you guys. We got all this done here. This is going to be for the queue line. So there's videos in the playlists of doing all of the cave work. And now we're gonna introduce all these into the cave with Durabond and cement and more foam. So that's gonna be pretty cool too. So more videos coming in the future of that. It's gonna be a busy year here, along with doing all the other projects I got going on. This one's gonna take the cake. So onwards and upwards, and we will continue forth. Yes, that is me.